This is Samsung Galaxy A34, and today I would like to demonstrate how you can activate the keyboard Clipboard on this device. So to start, let me show how the keyboard looks before. So here it is, no way to access the clipboard. So from now, you will need to open Settings, then go for the General Management category. In here, enter the Samsung Keyboard Settings page, and add the following section, or among the available Samsung keyboard controls, find and enable the keyboard toolbar toggle. And once you do that, you will need to launch the keyboard again, and as you can see, this toolbar appears at the top. So from here, simply find and tap at the clipboard icon, and here it is. Alrighty, so that will be it for today. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.